Moving high-value furniture requires expertise, care, and precision. At AGY Movers and Packers, we specialize in professional furniture relocation. Watch as our expert team disassembles, packs, and moves this stunning round marble dining table with complete safety. Step 1. Careful disassembly. Our experienced movers at AGY Movers and Packers begin by carefully taking apart each section of the table. The delicate marble top and wooden base are handled with maximum care to prevent any damage. Step 2. Professional packing for maximum protection. To ensure zero damage, we use high-quality bubble wrap and thick moving blankets. This adds extra cushioning and prevents scratches, cracks, and impact damage. Step 3. Secure loading and safe transport. Once properly packed, our expert team strategically loads the table onto our truck, securing it in place to prevent movement during transit. This ensures that everything arrives at the destination exactly as it left. Why choose AGY Movers and Packers? Many years of experience in professional moving. Expert team trained for luxury and fragile furniture handling. Safe, secure, and damage-free transportation. Reliable service across UAE. Call or WhatsApp us today at +971 55 9882 317. Visit our website. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube for more moving projects.